Hi, I'm Nick, and today we're going to show you how to resolve iOS WCAG labels or instructions violations. WCAG 3.3.2, titled Labels or Instructions, states that labels or instructions are provided when the user's content requires input. The intent of this success criterion is to have content authors present instructions or labels on the controls of a form so that users know what kind of data is expected. While this success criterion requires input controls have headings or labels, whether or not they are clear or descriptive is covered by a different success criterion 2.4.6, headings and labels. This success criterion does not require that labels or instructions are correctly marked up, identified, or associated with their controls, but rather this aspect is covered by a different success criterion, WCAG 1.3.1, Info and Relationships. For more detail on the specifics of WCAG labels or instructions violations, check out this link here. Link also in the description down below. Let's go ahead and fix an iOS labels or instructions violation with the help of the Mesmer accessibility audit. But first, I instruct you to label this video liked. Here we have a labels or instructions violation. We can check out the app map to find the screen containing this violation. Now that we know where the screen is located, let's pull up our emulator so we can take a better look. From our simulator, we can clearly see that this form is super unclear. I have no idea what I'm supposed to input for the first two form elements, thus causing this violation of not having a label for these form input controls. Let's go to the code to see if we can resolve this violation. From our storyboard, we can add labels to each form and placeholder text so that the user knows what kind of data is expected to be input. You're probably thinking, who doesn't label their form input controls? And I was thinking the same thing until I discovered this violation. You would not believe how frequent this violation is in production environments, and what's really sad is this kind of form input control is not readable by someone who's not from the United States, so doesn't have that kind of prior knowledge, or for someone who has a disability that makes them use an assistive technology, such as VoiceOver, which would not be able to read aloud the necessary information for the user to successfully complete this form. And just like that, we fixed our iOS WCAG labels or instructions violation. Have you checked out the free Mesmer white pages? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and happy developing.